Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Fehroz Asif, teacher of Guards Public Higher Secondary School 1. Hope you all are fine. Students, as we all are facing problem by COVID-19, so our school started audio-visual classes. Here we will try to cover the syllabus by our lectures. And we need your attention to listen these lectures carefully to understand the topics which we discuss here. Let's have a look on the content of first term syllabus. Syllabus of first term contains 5 chapters. Chapter number 1, Notation and Numeration. Chapter 2, Addition. Chapter 3, Subtraction. Chapter 4, Straight and Curved Lines. And Chapter 5, More About Lines. In our first unit, we will discuss the following topic: 4-digit number, 5-digit numbers, predecessor and successor, and place value. Students, now we have Chapter 1, Notation and Numeration. In your previous class, you have studied up to 3-digit numbers, that was called 100. Now in class 3, we have 4-digit number which is called 1000. 4-digit number means 1000. If we have 999 and we add one more unit in it, it will becomes a 4-digit number called 1000. I hope you all understand that what are the 4-digit numbers. And it will be more clear when you will do some practice in your book also, and I will give you the worksheet as well as. Now class, come to the 5-digit numbers. As we have discussed about the 4-digit number and it comes in 4 columns, if we start to read the numbers from unit, the smallest one the unit, second one tens, then hundreds, and then thousand. Now when we add one more unit to 9999, that is the largest 4-digit number. In that number, when we add one more unit, in that will becomes a 5-digit number, and this one is called 10,000. A 5-digit number that is called 10,000, and 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. Clear to all of you? Now students, look this carefully. It will clear your concept about 4 and 5-digit numbers. When you start to write the numbers from 1000 and ends up to 9999, all the numbers among them, between them, are called the 4-digit number. And 1000 will be the starting number, called the smallest 4-digit number, and the last digit, that is 9999, will call the highest, largest 4-digit number. Like that, if we talk about the 5-digit number and we start to write numbers from 10,000 and ends up to 99,999, these all numbers are called the 5-digit numbers. And 10,000 will be the smallest 5-digit number, and like that 99,999 will be the largest 5-digit number. Okay. My dear students, now we have terms predecessor and successor. First, what is predecessor? Predecessor means the number which comes just before the another number. Means किसी भी नंबर से पहले जो नंबर होगा वो उसका predecessor कहलाएगा. For example, 89 and 90. Among them, 89 will be the predecessor of 90. In the same way, if we have 999 and 1000, 999 will be the predecessor of 1000. And now, what is successor? Successor is the number which comes just after the another number. What does it means? कि किसी भी नंबर के बाद जो नंबर आता है वो क्या होता है, उसका सक्सेसर कहलाता है. आफ्टर नंबर कॉल्ड सक्सेसर एंड बिफोर नंबर कॉल्ड प्रीडिसेसर. क्लियर? इसी तरह से अब हमारे पास एग्जाम्पल में देखिए 300 and 299. देयर आर 2 numbers. सो 300 is the successor of 299 because it comes after 299. Like that 1999, the 1000 will be the successor of 999 because it comes just after the 999. Students, there are many examples of predecessor and successors. Let's see, there is a simple way how can you get the predecessor and successor from a number. It will be fun for you. Take one number, for example 266, and minus 1 from them. 266 में से 1 माइनस कीजिए, what you will get? Yes, 265. And this 265, what is this? This is predecessor of 266. Clear? इसी तरह से जब आप 266 में 1 नंबर और ऐड कर देंगे, what you will get? 267. And this 267 will call the successor of 266. In the same way, you can make predecessor and successor of many numbers. Students, now we have topic place value. What is place value? Place value can be defined as the value represented by a digit number on the basis of its position. For example, in Pakistani place value chart, we have the columns like that: unit, 10, 100, 1000 and then 10,000. So if we take the value of, we want to take the place value of 3, what is its value? You can see it comes in the column of, in the house of 10,000. So the value of, the place value of 3 is 10,000. What is the value of 3? 10,000, because it is under the column of 10,000. Clear? यानी कि प्लेस वैल्यू का मतलब है कि आप किसी भी डिजिट नंबर को उसकी पोजीशन के बेस पर डिफ्रेंशिएट करें या उसको एक्सप्लेन करें कि वेयर इट प्लेस्ड, यूनिट में है, टेंस में है, 100 में है, 1000 में है या 10,000 में है. सो यू विल डिस्क्राइब अ नंबर ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इट्स पोजीशन. Clear? It will be more clear to you by this activity. You can see the question on your screen. Write the place value of underlined digit. As you can see, the first question is given in 5 digits. So first of all, you will place these 5 digits in the columns of 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and units. What you find? Yes, 3 is on the place of 1,000. So what will be the value of 3? That is underlined, 3,000. You can write it like this, 3,000, or in figure 3,000. In the same way, the second question you have again a 5-digit number, 53,356, and here the 5 is underlined. So what will be the value of 5 here? 10,000. Yes, this one is called 50,000 because this one are 10,000's value. Okay. Now let's see the review of today's lecture. We explain the 4 and 5 digit number, differentiation between predecessor and successor, and how we will get the predecessor and successor, and the last one, explanation about the place value. Friends, I hope you all understood the explanation about the chapter, the initial topics of this chapter, and it will be more clear when you will do the practice of this in your book, as well as I will provide you the worksheets on WhatsApp. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.